If you're seeing the X, formerly Twitter, age-restricted content error, or you can't view sensitive posts the way you expect, this video will walk you through the most common fix step by step. The good news is that in many cases, this is not a permanent problem. It usually comes down to your account age settings, your content preferences, or the sensitive media filters inside X. So in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly where to go, what to check, and how to turn the right settings on if your account is eligible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Now let's get into it. First, log into X using your browser or the app. Once you're signed in, look for the More option in the left-hand menu. On mobile or desktop, this is where X keeps most of the account settings, privacy controls, and safety options. Click More, then choose Settings and Privacy. This opens the main settings area for your X account. Next, click Your Account. Inside this section, you'll see account-related information, like login details, account history, and personal settings. From there, open Account Information. This is an important step because age-restricted content errors can sometimes happen if your date of birth is missing, incorrect, or not properly set on the account. Now carefully check that your date of birth is correct. If the birthday is wrong, X may treat your account as underage or restrict certain content automatically. If X asks you to complete an age verification request, follow the prompts and submit the required information. This part matters because if the platform thinks your account does not meet the age requirement, sensitive content may stay blocked no matter what other settings you change. Once your account information is confirmed, go back to the main settings menu and click Privacy and Safety. This is where you manage what type of content you can see on X. After that, select Content You See. In this section, look for the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. If you are eligible and the option is available, turn it on. This tells X that you want sensitive media to appear in your feed and in posts where that type of content is allowed. Now, still within the Privacy and Safety area, open Search Settings. Here you'll want to find the option Hide Sensitive Content. If that option is enabled, uncheck it. This is another common reason people think X is broken, when really, the content is just being filtered out by default. By disabling that filter, you give X permission to show results and posts that may include sensitive media, assuming your account is allowed to view them. If you do not see these options or if they are grayed out, that usually means one of three things. Your account age may not qualify, the platform may require additional verification, or your region and account status may limit access. In that case, the most important thing is to make sure your date of birth is accurate and that you complete any verification requests X provides. Do not try random workarounds or unofficial tools, because those usually do not solve the problem and can create account security issues. After you've updated the settings, refresh X and try opening the content again. In many cases, the changes take effect right away, but sometimes you may need to log out and log back in, or clear the app cache if you're on mobile. If you're on a browser, reloading the page or signing out and back in can help X apply the new content preferences correctly. So to recap, the fix is to log into X, open More, go to Settings and Privacy, check your account and account information, confirm your date of birth, complete any age verification if prompted, then go to Privacy and Safety, open Content You See, enable display media that may contain sensitive content if available, and finally go into Search Settings and uncheck Hide Sensitive Content. Those are the core steps that usually resolve the age-restricted content issue on X. If this walkthrough saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this one. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix this issue on the X mobile app specifically, or how to troubleshoot it when the sensitive content settings are missing entirely. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.